What's good, sneakerheads? Welcome back to another episode of Shoe Talk. I'm J300. Today we have the Nigel Sylvester Better With Time Air Jordan 1 Lows. And today I have a special guest. You all may know. But before we get to that, I do have a video out on the Fire Red Jordan 5s, and that's going to be dropping pretty soon. And we also have the Denim 4 video that will be out pretty soon as well. But today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this Jordan 1 Low. This is a piece of art. So let's go.
Tell me how to live. I want you to put them hitters on your heels, for real. Katrina hit the city, me and bro ate cold meals. I grew up in them chicks, take your gold grill. You ever had to fight for your life in that coat room? The DA wanna make you an example just to show you. You hollering about you trapping, but your girl is your go-to. Niggas really put this snort a line and turn Goku. Put that on my soul, money low, I'm still having. Long live my wish he shook that pill habit. My dog say he paid $1,100 for his lavins. Them exes really bustin'.
Before we start unboxing this shoe, I'm gonna welcome on a special guest today. If everybody gonna clap for the Maverick. Everybody welcome the Maverick back. She's been going one video.
Back by popular demand.
Back by popular demand. And so today we have the Maverick here. So what do you think about the Nigel Sylvester?
Well, first, I don't know if it's on the level of Travis Scott. I don't know if it's on that type of hype level, but I do like the shoe. I do like getting like BMX riders and different type of athletes into shoes and just different cultures. That I'm not gonna say this tops the Brick by Bricks, but it's a solid shoe.
Is it contender for shoe of the year like Brick by Bricks?
I wouldn't say it's a contender. I would say it's a pretty dope shoe, but not a contender for sure.
Is it better than the Travis?
Yes.
So you personally have this Travis Scott. So will you be copping these as well?
If it's available.
Okay. All right. Well, let's start unboxing this shoe. First, we're going to come with the bicycle right there. Wrap this on a paper. Make sure you take your label as well. There you go. And your paper. Make sure you're getting some legit stuff. If you're going to be buying off the resale market and you don't hit on those raffles, make sure you're getting some legit stuff. Like I say again, here's the label. Size tag reads black muslin varsity red. We got bike with the swoosh all over the box on the sides, and the back you got Nike, and on the top you got the bike with the swoosh. So let's get to it.
Okay, this is the shoe. As you can see, we have that muslin color on the swoosh and on the midsole. And I'm a big fan of like the age looking sole. I know a lot of people aren't, but I'm a big fan of that. And then we have like this small Nike swoosh right here near the toe box.
I'm not a fan of the small check, unless it's on the Brick by Bricks. I hate it on the dunks.
I'm actually not a fan of it at all. I think the shoe would have still been great without that. I just don't feel like it's necessary. So yeah. Then we have, this is what the tongue looks like. It says Bike Air again. I also think that is pretty dope that Nike even like let him change it from like Nike to Bike. I thought that was pretty nice too. This is what the back looks like. The Air Jordan logo. This is an OG Air Jordan 1 Low. This is the bottom of the shoe. We have like that same look that the Lost and Founds came with at the bottom. There's that varsity red. This is what the inside looks like. It says Nigel Sylvester. And then it also has some writing. It says Jordan Biking Company.
Established in 2017.
Established 2017. And also like all around the shoe, they have like this distressed, scuffed mark all over the shoe. Each shoe is different because they're handmade scuff marks, so no shoe would be the same. So make sure y'all look out for that as well. How do you feel about the scuff marks on the
I
shoe?
like it, but I think older people, like, they always like to call you out on your shoes being beat up or dirty. Like, if you wear a mismatched shoe, they're going to say, why you got two different shoes on. So they might tell you why you got beat up, why you buying used shoes, beat up shoes for $165. I like the shoes, I like the material, but I personally would pass on this shoe. I'm not a big fan of Jordan 1 lows. I think the materials are very good, but it's a pass for me.
Yeah, I mean, I'm also not a fan either. I think in my size though, these would probably look better. I do like the shoe. I'm not a big fan of like monochromatic shoes. I do like the Brick by Bricks. That is a monochromatic shoe, but that's like one of the only shoes that I like that's all the same color. But I do like that these are not just all black. And I'm a big fan of like the age looking thing. I don't know how I feel about like the scuff marks and stuff. I understand like the, just the creativeness behind it and why it's done. But a lot of people are probably not going to be a fan of that, and they're paying like what, $165 for it. So
retail is $165 plus tax.
Yeah, so I don't know.
Close to $200 for a Jordan 1 low. I'll pass.
But yeah, that's kind of how I feel about it. I definitely think they're worth copping, just to say you got them, and it's a limited shoe. But in terms of like buying a shoe that's like scuffed up, I don't know about that.
Yeah. This pretty much wraps up the review. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you next time for more shoe talk. I'm J300.
And I'm the Maverick.
Till next time.
Peace.
Stripes when you beat the body in the studio. They say my style is original.